This is not safe, guys. Do not try this at home. Do not try this at home. I repeat, do not try this at home, but we're gonna do it again. Oh my God. Well, welcome back to another FPV video. So today I'm gonna fly this little thing. It's the Pavo 20 Pro, but I lost my 04 Air Unit Pro, so it's got an Air Unit Lite. That is, I made a short about this. This is an abomination that I built truly. But yeah, it's an 04 Lite cage from the Beta FPV attached to the Pavo 20, Pavo Pico 2, I believe. Pavo Pico frame attached to the Pavo 20. Because the 04 Lite doesn't exactly attach to the Pavo 20 Pro. I'm sure there's a better way to do it. Let me know in the comments, but this is with all the parts that I have, this is the only way that I can get my Pavo 20 Pro to fly again. And I stole the camera unit from the Flywoo. I'm not sure if it can be seen on the camera over here. But yeah, it's a Flywoo camera unit with a ND4 filter. So it's held together by some velcro tapes. I should probably get a cable tie instead, but haven't got time to go buy one, so I'll see if I can buy one today. But it's pretty sturdy, and it's got that rubber mount on it, so it helps with that jello, I guess. I'm not sure. I've been flying this for a little bit and there's no jello. You probably seen the shorts that I have posted. That's why you're here, probably, hopefully. So we're gonna do some more tricks, I guess. Gonna fly a few packs and see how it goes. And yeah. Well, here we go. Good. Recording. Here we go. Ooh, hopefully it's recording on my phone. I haven't checked. Alright, just gonna fly really casually for the first pack. Technically my second pack of the day, but close some easy gaps. And there we go. I'm not using the full power, as you can see. Not using full throttle yet, and it's already going super fast. But I'm only using 50–60% throttle. That's because my camera angle is not at a super high level as well. So, but yeah, see, tight turns, no jello. Pretty chill and easy power loop over there. I did a split S over the trees before and immediately crashed it, but a little scuff split S, but yeah, that counts. So, oof, yeah, very zippy. My batteries are probably not in the best health because I haven't been flying them, haven't used them for a short period after I crashed my other drone in Japan. So if I remember, I'll put a clip up of me crashing in Japan at the side of a mountain. Got clipped by some trees, but yeah, after that I haven't been flying my Pavo 20 Pro. So my lipos are probably not in the best health. And 2 minutes in, you can see it's already at 3.6, 3.5 volts. And yeah. Oof. Yes. And I should probably land soon. But yeah, some of my batteries not the best health, but they still got pretty decent 2 minutes, 3 minutes flight time. Pretty aggressive flying. Oof. And the ND4 is probably not enough for this kind of weather. In Singapore, it's really hot out here. January. It's always summer out here. If you like the summer, Oof, okay, okay. I should land. I can feel the battery is screaming at me now. There we go. All right. Disarm armed, and here we go. Okay. Tight turns. Do you guys think I can do a split S on that sign? It's gonna be tough though. Woof! Does that count? Does it count as a split S? This sign is too tiny to... Oof. I'm not sure whether that counts. I'm not really a freestyler, more of a cinematic pilot, but I do want to learn some technical skills, you know what I mean? Do some cheeky dives. Yeah, pretty casually. I can pull out like really casually, something that you can't really do with the Neo or Neo 2. So just be wary. I know I have a few Neo 2 of me doing some rips as well, but I would not be as confident doing this with Neo 2. But you know what you're getting with the Neo 2, right? Let's see if I can close some insane gaps here. Oof, oof, oh my god. I'm sorry if I'm suddenly too silent or if I'm looking down a lot. I've been getting comments that I look down a lot on my previous videos, but that's because the goggles are heavy, okay? All right, practice on the Powerloop. Powerloop. Okay. Ooh, sure, okay. Minor prop wash there, nothing we can't handle. Another one. Oof, it's gonna be much smaller than this when I fly between my legs, so practicing for the self power loop. Ooh, 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 okay. That was a nice bailout. Okay, 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 okay. Weesh. Ooh, 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 bouncy. Does that count? All right. Let's 2 minutes. Yeah, like I said, my batteries, they are pretty cooked, to be honest. 2-3 minutes and it's already 2.5 volts. I'm not sure. I'm not really a battery professional. Ooh, that wind caught me off guard a little bit. But yeah, haven't been taking care of my lipos, so yeah, take care of your lipos. Don't burn them. Yeah, you gotta probably gonna get some replacements hopefully soon. But they're still pretty good. 3 minutes plus, and I still got some juice. So been flying a little pretty intensive with all the tricks, flips and stuff, but there we go. Okay, last battery. You guys think I should do it? Think I should do something crazy on the last battery? All right, guys, this is it. Hopefully nobody sees this. If anyone sees this, do not try this at home. It's for professionals only. Hopefully the angle's good and it's recording me. All right. I am scared, but we got 2 minutes of footage. Armed, recording, lift off. Okay. This is not safe, but ooh, sorry. Ooh. Got distracted a little bit trying to move my legs, but Gonna wait for the wind to calm down a little bit. It's really windy out here. We do a oof. Oof. It's super windy. It's not ideal. Coming in hot. Woo! Does that count? I count that. I'll count that. Oh, first try. Oh my god. Oh my god, my hands are shaking a little bit, not gonna lie. Okay, I count that. I count. That counts. That 100% counts. Okay. Damn, look at this guy just standing on the table, aura farming like that. How dare he? How dare he do this? Oh my god. Okay, from the front this time. Okay, this is so much more scarier. I don't know why. My hands are shaking a little bit, but we did it. We did it. Oh my god. Let's go. Okay, my legs are shaking too. My legs are honestly also shaking. This is not safe, guys. Do not try this at home. Do not try this at home. I repeat, do not try this at home, but we're gonna do it again. Oh my god, I'm a god. Let's go. That is going into a short. Whee! Right. Split S under the lake. Do you guys think it's possible? I don't care. Woo! Woof! Woof! Sorry about that. Oof. Alright, that's all the footage I can get. Yeah. It was a good video today. Thank you all for watching, and remember to subscribe. Ooh. Remember to subscribe, like, leave a comment, tell me I'm trash. I don't know. I'll see you guys on the next video, I guess. Bye.